So about a week ago, Andor reached out in regards to trying out specifically the Aspen leather case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max and their capsule case for the AirPods Pro. And of course, in the beginning, I was a bit hesitant in the quality. You see, in the past, I've been an adopter of the official Apple leather cases. Not only them, but I've tried out Nomads, Bellroys, and those case manufacturers have really good leather. But with some research and some positive reviews, I said, why the hell not? So here's my review of the Aspen leather case. I think in order for us to get a good feel for this case, we first have to look at the design, the build quality. And by all means, it's outstanding. But I have my concerns. And even so, I feel this case has more positives than negatives. Just looking at the overall build quality, the choice in materials, you can tell Andor really put an effort into appearance, feel, and quality. And you see it has this really nice soft touch feel all across, full grain leather, with the exception of the metal buttons and camera bumper, which are nicely contrasted with a matte black finish. And to sort of give you guys an update on how it's held up or kept up over the course of the last week and a half that I've had this case for, it's held up quite nicely. I haven't seen any sort of chips or indentations on the metal at least, nor have I seen any sort of scratches or any deep indentations on the case itself, which is quite nice. And honestly, I thought the metal bumper or the metal buttons were going to be one of the first things to actually chip away. Then being made out of metal, again, at some point I thought that those would be one of the first things to go, but I stand corrected. On that note, one of my biggest concerns with this case is durability. Again, due to the soft touch finish, I would assume that any hard drop or any drop on a rough or hard surface is going to cause unwanted damage, at least deeper damage or harsher damage, if that makes any sense. I just think, again, because of the full grain leather, it's going to show these indentations or these scratches a lot deeper than, let's say, perhaps a TPU case. But quickly jumping back to some of the positives, you do get MagSafe compatibility, so you are going to get optimal charging with a MagSafe compatible accessory. Not only that, but again, you get to use all your MagSafe accessories with this case. And to be honest, at this point, you should be looking for a case with MagSafe. And the other thing is, I haven't really seen any discoloration or indentation where the actual MagSafe magnets go, which is also a positive. I did see that with the Bellroy case, and you know, that's a great leather case as well, but I have not seen this here, and that's again a huge positive. And then again, you're getting a case that over time is only going to look better. Again, that is subjective, but over time it's going to age, it's going to patina, and it's going to get these characteristics that are unique to your case. It's gonna darken, it's gonna, again, smudge or scratch or get these little indentations that, again, are unique to your specific case. Whether you like that or not, this is one of the things to keep in mind when purchasing a full grain leather case. But overall, it's a great case. It's a great case if you want something that's aesthetic, not something that's gonna offer drop protection, because this definitively or definitely lacks any sort of drop protection, at least to the minimal amount. It's gonna protect your phone from perhaps minor drops, you know, just laying your phone flat on a surface. It's going to protect it from scratches, surface scratches, but that's what it's for. I think it's more for the aesthetic look more than anything. It's definitely a great case. It is $49.99 if you are trying to get one, but I will drop a link down below. Andor was nice enough to send this over. So thanks to Andor for sending this case over for review. And thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Later.